name is Jennifer Woods. I am a Social Services Specialist 3 with the Children, Youth, and Families Division, the Department of Family Services Foster Care and Adoptions Program. What I like most about my job is working with the parents and working with the children as we work towards achieving the permanency goal. With the parents, that is reunification. The parents being able to see the changes that they need to make in order to safely parent their children is a wonderful thing to see. And the children being able to thrive and respond to the changes that the parents made in a positive way, that is a beautiful thing to see as well. So being able to witness that is the best and most rewarding thing in my position. DFS is a great place to work, simply due to the support that you receive from your supervisor to the program manager to the director of Children, Youth, and Families to the director of the Department of Family Services. They are all available to provide guidance and feedback in whatever it is that you're doing on a day-to-day basis to try to service our families. The co-workers are also there to support, to provide guidance and feedback and bounce ideas off of, as well as we're working with the families. Fairfax County Department of Family Services also provides opportunities for personal development and growth, whether it be participating in work groups. It gives you an opportunity to get an understanding in a deeper level of what it is that we do and to examine the processes that we take to make sure that we're more efficient and able to better service our families. All of these things make the Department of Family Services a great place to work for. Fairfax County is a great place to work. Check out the opportunities online for our positions and come and be a part of our team.